boy got the
Yeah,
same one with them 14 shells. He got the same one.
already,
He can switch the
already.
barrel
That's how.
out. You got two different
Yep.
barrels.
See,
Yeah.
nah, see, I don't need to.
No, he has
It take
came with
both.
two. The short
Oh,
one,
okay.
short one just for the 45s, and the long one
But
for the 45s
they
and the
got a
14s.
they got this bad handle on eBay, bro. That mother look bad, and this it's for the to make it look like a regular ass pistol. Instead of how the handle is just like comes off. This one, that mug come down like a regular revolver. Like I'm like, oh, full like a full size. Oh yeah, it's going down. So most everything else done got different grips on it, but now that's the one I gotta change my grips on. I ain't even changed my grips on that bad boy, but yeah, I gotta hook that bad boy up. My PSA dag, I gotta get. I'm gonna get probably another red dot for that one.
So what you
But
got? What
my
you eat?
favorite,
How many
but
45s?
this one right here, I got the place on it and everything. I, I might find a flip up
Hey, let me see
red
that
dot
again.
for that.
Let me see that again. Is that them? That it come with the rail on it like that? Let me see. Put that book up again.
Yeah, it got rails on it and everything at the bottom rail, and that right there, it got the threaded little cuts on it.
Nice, man. That's nice, bro. That's real nice.
Oh man, I was looking at that. I said, oh
Magazine,
hell yeah,
magazines that come with two.
two, two, two
And how
Glock
many? Hours?
magazines,
12, 15.
15, I think 15.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. So yeah, it's going down. I was like, hell yeah, that bitch gonna go right with my collection.
That's nice, man.
And then say got the fiber sights on it too, bro. I don't know
That's
if they
real,
gonna show it on here, but man,
real
yeah, they
nice.
got the fiber sights came with it, bro. This one, yeah, bad
That's nice.
motherfucker. This a bad motherfucker.
When I grow up, I want to be like Cooking with Love and More.
Nah, what cooking up some shit? Oh man, I cooked up some badass wings last night, bro. Ooh, lemon pepper, some hot ones. Oh, bro, check it out. I
Lemon.
did them like on the. Oh, my bad. It's the wrong channel. My bad. Shit. But on Cooking with Love channel, that one,
Lemon
yeah,
pepper.
he cooked up. He cooked up some shit.
Right.
Oh yeah, man, I forgot. There, wrong channel.
It's all good, bro.
Hell yeah, man, I cooked up some shit on that motherfucker, bro. That bitch still. Oh man, that lemon pepper was popping, bro. Say, I'm talking about say Kodak moment. Yes, sir.
Ross' favorite, that lemon pepper.
That lemon
Lemon
pepper.
pepper.
Oh, but that hot. Oh, bro. I use that kick your chicken.
Yeah.
That shit is busting. Off the chain. Yeah. It's going down, bro.
Well,
Damn,
you
man,
say
we
y'all
want to
make,
eat something fucked
you
up.
say y'all play, huh?
Yep.
Y'all got
I
Philly?
don't know. I don't know what day though. I mean, what time?
Sunday, right?
I be at work and shit on Sundays. Yeah.
That's all right. That's all right. That's why
You ain't
that's,
lying. Shit.
that's all right.
They got TVs. I be
All
looking
you
like a
need,
motherfucker.
even though you want to see the game, but all you need to know is whether y'all won or whether y'all lost. Ain't that right?
Yeah. I be looking like a motherfucker.
Hey, of course you want to see the
Shit.
game, but all you need to know is whether y'all got a W or y'all got an L.
Okay. That's the main thing.
Yeah.
Why that let that money add it up, add it up, add it up.
Add it up,
Real.
bro. I'm gonna get on out of here, man, and go up here and take
I'm
me a
finna
shower.
head back in.
Yeah,
You
I'm taking me
already
a
know.
shower. I just kicked my ass over there on that fucking bag. My whole back was sweating, nigga. I mean, brother, my whole back was sweating, brother. Sorry, brother. Don't get mad at me because I'm trying to be politically correct, man. Don't get mad at me.
Same. But see, some people don't understand it. Sometimes you get what you dish out. That's all I'm gonna say.
That's right. But I'll holler at you.
Yeah,
I'll
know
holler
what I'm
at you later.
saying?
Hey, yeah,
Be safe, my bro. Be safe.
don't forget, man. Pray for
Much,
me, brother.
hey, everybody who watching this live, please pray for my boy Black Mud.
Going through some real life shit.
Already, much prayer to my bro. Much love.
Like, share, subscribe to Cooking with Love and More.